Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to use COUNTBLANK function in Excel. Why would you want to know how to use COUNTBLANK function in Excel? Well, maybe you have a big table and you just want to count the blank cells in your table. So today I am going to show you how to use COUNTBLANK function in Excel. Okay, here's my table, small, and here I'm going to use the function. Let's press equal, then COUNTBLANK, then tab. Okay, let's just select our table and press enter. Automatically will count the blank cells. That easy. There you go. If you want to know how to use COUNTBLANK function in Excel, that's the easiest way I know how. If you want another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.